dilation is a mapping that creates similar shapes. So the shape resulting is not necessarily congruent to the original shape, but the angles are congruent and sides are proportional. So this is a dilation right here. It maps triangle ABC to A prime B prime C prime. Ah, the orange triangle right here is of course larger. In this case, dilation of scale factor k is greater than 1. So if it's greater than 1, the image got bigger. It's an expansion. Center of dilation is O because it maps OA to OA prime. The ratio of OA prime to OA is 2.5 over 1. So let's look here. OA prime equals 2.5 times OA, etc. So we noted it as D, and then lower O 2.5 equals ABC to A prime B prime C prime. If the scale factor of dilation is a fraction that is not greater than 1, for example, if it's 0.5 or 0.4 or something like that, then it will shrink. It's a contraction. For example, in this case, we map OA to OA prime, OB to OB prime, OC to OC prime. This way, OA prime have 2 over 5 OA. That is a dilation of scale factor of 2 over 5. Again, so the ratio between OA and OA prime will be what? Will be 1 over 2 over 5. And the ratio of OA prime to OA will be 2 over 5 over 1. If the scale factor is negative, it falls under the opposite ray. So, for example, we see OA right here. OA prime is opposite of OA. That's what's happening if scale factor is negative. So, look, let's draw a line between O and A right here. So OA goes this direction, then OA prime goes back. So we extend the ray, extend the line that the ray is on. So then OA prime goes the opposite direction, starting with O, but it goes backwards. Now we can see that if the scale factor is negative 2, then OA prime to OA will be 2 over 1. Will be 2 over 1. But let's see. What if we want to say OA and AA prime? That's a frequent mistake. Do not ever try to compare the OA to AA prime because that both segments have to start with O. So, for example, OA to AA prime is actually 1 over 3 ratio. That is not related to the scale factor of 2. That's 1 plus the scale factor. So please notice, do not compare scale factor as the center and the whole distance. Okay, that is. Thank you.